Without music.
Okay, can.
Without music. Huh? Okay, stop it. Okay, this is basically second part. Doing promise of a lifetime. Okay? So we will start with facing left. No, facing right. Okay, facing your right. So it will be 1, 2. You imagine you are scooping something. So it's 1, 2. Push up with your leg like that. Okay? Straight up. So 1, 2, 3. You push back. From here you push back like that. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 you bend down. So 5. 6 you spread out. 7, 8. So from here, right, to come back to here, you have to push yourself to the left. So you'll be 7 and 8. Okay? So 7, 8. This is the first 8. So the second 8 will be from here. 2, 2, 3, 4. You grab your hair. Okay, you must grab your hair. And then you turn from left, anti-clockwise. So 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 2, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. 5. You grab something, 5. And you grab something, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that's basically the end of promise of lifetime. Yeah.
So this is part 2.